Breast cancer remains a major health concern in the Philippines, with early detection and access to treatment critical for survival. Health authorities are expanding screening programs and increasing financial support to help patients receive timely care. Bien Vinny Manalo reports.
Her world seems crushed, and she almost lost hope when she was diagnosed with stage 3 breast cancer in 2015. The doctor gave her only 5 years to live, or even shorter if she didn't seek treatment. She was working as a restaurant staff at that time, so she was even more depressed when she found out she would spend millions of pesos on treatment. She also regrets that she didn't immediately undergo early detection and screening, and instead waited for the situation to get worse.
Nung malaman ko po na may cancer po ako, as in, end of the world na po talaga. Sabi ko, lalaban pa ba ako o susuko na? Kasi talagang, as in, nung sinabi ng doktor, you have stage 3 breast cancer, you must prepare 3 million. So, blanco ang isip ko. As in, hindi ko alam anong sasabihin ko. Nanginginig ang mga tuhod ko.
She battled with the disease for 10 years. She did not give up. She fought to stay alive for her child. She is very thankful to the people, organizations, and groups who helped her. As a cancer survivor, she serves as an inspiration to other cancer patients to be strong and not lose hope.
Early detection saves life. Kaya lagi ko yung sinasabi sa kanila. Kaya ako pinalakas pa dahil kailangan kong i-inspire yung iba na tingnan niyo ko, lumalaban po ako. Blessing talaga sa akin yung nandito ako para masabi ko din sa kapwa ko mga pasyente at sa mga hindi pa nagpapacheck up na magpa-check up na po kayo.
The Philippine Cancer Society is concerned about the increasing number of women in the country who have breast cancer. Breast cancer is the most common cancer to Filipinas and to women at large. According to the PCS, the Philippines has the highest number with the breast cancer in Southeast Asia. Up to 27,000 cases of breast cancer are recorded every year, or one Filipina in every 32 seconds dies from it. In 2022, more than 1,000 Filipinos died from breast cancer. The PCS says 55 to 65% of women in the Philippines are diagnosed too late with breast cancer. Because of this, the group has strengthened its campaign for early detection and screening.
But there's such a thing as AI-assisted ultrasound and mammography screening for breast cancer. Is assisting this technology to detect more precisely the presence of mass in the breast.
They will further expand their ACT Now, or Access to Cancer Treatment Now program. This features their mobile cancer screening bus that provides free breast and cervical detection services, especially to those in great need. Today, more than 46,000 women have been serviced by the mobile cancer screening bus for more than 800 outreach missions since it was launched in 2015.
For us women, Filipinas, na hindi naman po mas madali pong gamutin yan kung maliliit, huwag niyo pong patagalin dahil pwede naman kayo pumunta sa ospital, magpatingin na para maagapan kaagad. Because if you really come in very early, your survival, mas mahaba po ang survival.
Meanwhile, the Philippine Health Insurance Corporation, or PhilHealth, has further increased its benefit package for breast cancer. From the previous 100,000 pesos, it has been increased to 1.4 million pesos, which will be a great help in the treatment of breast cancer patients. Bien Manalo from the National TV Network for a new and better Philippines.